Here's a few of our guys installing our 5-rail continuous fence. Right here they are slipping the two panels together and making it a continuous fence that goes together really easy. To attach the panel to the post, we use self-tapping screws and our clips. You can use it with a drill. It makes it super quick and easy. We put a clip on every single rail, making it durable and strong for anything that you put behind it. You'll see a close-up right here of a joint that you almost can't even tell is there as you pass by it. Here's what the final product looks like.